guys, and welcome to my channel, and I am so excited for today's video because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 2 Valentine's Day squishies. Because Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I thought it would be really fun to make some Valentine's Day squishies. So the 2 squishies we are going to be making is a strawberry cake and a donut squishy. I am so excited for this video and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, but first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So here are the 2 piggies, Cinnamon and Snickers. They are both super cute. Now I'm going to show you a couple clips of them having floor time earlier this week. On. Now I'm going to be picking out my squishy supplies and I'm going to quickly show you what I'm going to be using. So here are all the different colors of puffy paint that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using red, brown, white, green, yellow, pink, and purple puffy paint. I'm also going to be using a bunch of different brush sizes, some scissors, and some memory foam. So the first one I'm going to make is this super cute strawberry cake squishy. So to start off, I'm going to be using some memory foam. I got this out of a memory foam pillow that I found at Walmart. So now I'm going to take some scissors and carefully cut out a triangle for the cake shape. Now that I have my triangle shape all cut out, now I'm going to go back over with my scissors one more time just to make sure there's no rough edges. When you do this, you don't want to be cutting in big chunks. Otherwise, it's really hard to smooth out afterwards, so make sure you're cutting in small snips. So after shaving off all of the rough edges, this is the shape that I have. Also, I really quickly want to mention, I cut my memory foam off of the edge of the pillow, so that's how I have this really nice finished edge. And now it's time for my favorite part of making squishies, which is painting it. And of course, because it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to be using some pink puffy paint to paint on the frosting. So first, I'm going to be painting the top. Next, I'm going to go back in with some more pink paint using a smaller brush and painting around the edges. As soon as I finished painting around the edges, then I went ahead and painted some strawberry cake filling in the middle. So now it's time to paint on the vanilla part of the squishy. So I went ahead and mixed some yellow, brown, and white paint together. Keep mixing these colors until it's the right shade you like. This color was actually pretty tricky for me to get, so I recommend making a lot of this so you don't have to remix the same color later. Depending on how light the color of your icing is, you might need to add a second coat like I did. This is completely optional, but I thought it would be really cute to add some red and white sprinkles. Now it's time to make the topping. And of course, because this is a strawberry cake, I'm going to cut out a strawberry shape using a scrap piece of memory foam. Remember to cut in small snips. The smaller snips you cut, the better shape it will be. Now that I have my strawberry shape all cut out, now I'm going to go ahead and paint it using some red, white, and green puffy paint. As soon as the red and green paint have completely dried, then you can go ahead and paint on some white seeds using a toothpick. Next, I'm going to make a tiny stem for the strawberry using a small piece of scrap memory foam. Then I'm going to paint it using some green puffy paint. As soon as the stem has completely dried, then you can go ahead and take some super glue and carefully glue it on to the top of the squishy. And now it's time to put the strawberry on top of the cake, and I'm going to carefully attach it using some super glue. So here's the strawberry cake squishy all completed. This squishy turned out so cute and I had a ton of fun making it. So the last one I'm going to make is this super cute donut squishy. So to start off, I'm going to be using some memory foam, then I'm going to go ahead and cut out a circle. As soon as I have my circle all cut out, then I'm going to go back over with my scissors one more time just to fix all the rough edges. And again, be sure to cut in small snips. Now it's time to make the hole in the middle of the squishy for the donut. So first, I'm just going to take my scissors and poke it through the middle and cut all the way through. Then just keep cutting the hole bigger and bigger with your scissors until it's the size you like. So now it's time to paint the bottom of the squishy, and I'm going to mix the same colors as I did last time. So I'm going to mix white, brown, and yellow until I get the right color. Now it's time to paint on the icing. So I went ahead and mixed some red and white paint together and I got this really pretty dark pink color. If you want, for some extra detail, you can paint a little bit on the edges so it looks like the icing is dripping off the sides. As soon as the icing on the top is completely dry, you can add some really fun toppings. I thought it would be really cute to add some pink, purple, and white heart-shaped sprinkles, but it's completely up to you. So here are the two Valentine's Day squishies all completed. They both turned out so cute and it was so much fun to make, and I'm really happy with the finished result. If you're looking into getting someone a really fun Valentine's Day gift, I definitely recommend making these squishies. They're just so much fun to make and they turned out so cute, so soft, and they're a ton of fun to play with. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you guys would like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!